Hello everyone, we are playing Limbo today, a game by Annette Jensen. So I have read about it, I have downloaded it through Epic Games. It's a dark theme narration based game with suspense and horror in it. So as we start, we have some forest, we have a black and white theme, our player is laying down, it's hard to notice, but as we can see in the center of the screen, it is there, and yeah. So I don't know. I haven't played this game before or even watched anything yet. Okay, we open the eyes and interesting. So it's our character. We start with no prior story in this game. Like many games have a prior story. So we should go right? But let's go to left. As far as I have played games, left to hold something. Let's see कहाँ पे like they have last wall कि कहाँ पे it ends and then let us go in the wrong direction. So I would press right to right, left, yeah, left arrow. So left arrow left. Oh, there is something. What? It's glowing. Okay, so it's 1 out of 11 if you see, and I don't know what the hell 1 out of 11 means. Like it means I have got one piece of 11, but yeah. Let's see, we go to the right, up arrow to jump. It feels good hopping around, yeah. So okay, so there's quite good graphics, retro graphics. Oh, a log. We don't know what's down there. Down key, no, down key doesn't work. Many games have, so let's do one thing. Let's jump off it. The leap of faith. It died. It died. Okay, we would go aram se this time. It dies. Okay. Jump. Oh, I will run before I jump. Jump. Cool. Yeah, it can jump. Like there were spikes. I saw there were spikes down there. What to do there? I'm not able to push this. What the hell I'm not able to push. It's not jumping much. The physical capacity of this boy is bare minimum. He can't push this because there is a wall obviously, and he can't jump high. What to do, which key to press, shift, no, caps lock, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, nothing is working, yeah, control, yeah, we press control, okay, why is there no manual, not my fault, yeah, I know how to play game, अभी बोला ही नहीं कौन सा key use करना है, not my fault, we jump, we go, jump to the rope, Mr. Tarzan, jump to the rope, jumping, yeah, wheeling to. By the way, have you noticed like doing these things are really hard? I did it when I was in school and I still try it. You can't do without having good physical strength. So this boy has a lot of strength. Or just the developers gave it some strength. By the way, he falling from like 3 times his height kills him, but he could do all this rope wala stuff and adventure kind of stuff. Cool, let's see what it is. Let's go ahead, but there was I think a way to go down, right? Let's try to go down there. Like, who knows, another that yellow white chumkila thing. There's water and he dies. What? He can't swim, like he can do all the gymnastic stuff with the rope, climbing up, going down, pulling a crate double his size, but he can't swim. He can't even stand a second in water. Like game mechanics, my friend, game mechanics, stupid mechanics. There is no way to make it faster, I guess. We'll do the same stuff. Jump left, jump right, and run. Hop and run. There's a boat. We go in the boat and oh fuck, okay, there's no way going back. Okay, it feels nice. Can you do anything control which open the sails to go it faster? Like There is white background. White, I guess, is for the sun and dark. They haven't used any colors, like not even a single color except black and white and shades of grey, which is just simple. That thing. Okay. Okay, we go. Oh no! वापस मत जा भाई. Okay, so see, he can't jump half of his height and can't do it. Okay, idiot, stupidness, pure stupidness. We could bring the boat here, yeah. Simple logic, bro. Simple logic. See, boat of is like you can pull a boat without even hesitation. Jump on the boat, jump on the ladder. There is like something there which he could climb. Okay, we are going to climb. Okay, we jump. See, Tarzan, Mr. Tarzan, go up, Mr. Tarzan. Oh, that was nice. The animation of like rope में से कुछ गिरना is also a nice detail. They have put effort in the game, but it feels good. Okay, we go, run, Mr. Ball running, Mr. Ball running. Hey! Whoa. There were beer taps. Oh, beer taps. You know what? I was playing a game 3-4 days ago, and the name is Drama, which is like a flash game also. Okay. We need to pull them, I guess. They have pulling handles. Okay, I would pull it. So I was saying it was Drama. It was a flash game I played on, I guess. I don't know, remember the site. It's a flash game which is like almost 80% copy of this game with their own style of different levels. I got 50 levels they have and you have to clear them. Very similar. You can try to play that as well. Nice. Okay, so Mr. Tarzan again. Jump, Mr. Tarzan. Yes, like this. And you go up. The bee noise is quite irritating but nice detail. What can we do? Simple logic. We would push this behind this and then what? They have physics in it, like inertia. Moving state goes in moving. Newton's first law. Well, yeah. I guess what we have to do is pull the weight off this string. So what we can do is like we could pasaw the whatever it is, the body in this trap, and then we could go above. Simply this, I guess. Go down and yeah. See, you go up and you jump. Look, I play games here. I'm very smart, and I'm very smart. Like, not even a thing it took me to understand these, but you know what? Walking these, like, so every time you have to sit down. Is there something? I guess there is water inside. There is not water. Jump, my friend. Oh my god, piche. Whoa. Nice one. What my reaction skills made it. Can you jump till there? No, he can't, but नीचे कुछ water भी नहीं है. I thought there was. Running, hopping. Like, okay, I guess we have to figure out कि ये कहाँ कैसे फंसा, how did he got stuck here. And does this rock move? Can I take this rock? I don't know. Leave it. See, can't even jump to that simple. Latakta. Okay. No, this rock never moves. It's just a terrain, not a rock. So let's see. Let's go again and see if something would be there. Then bees again. Okay, we have a block. It would jump. No, it won't jump. Can it swim? I know it doesn't, but let's try. No, it doesn't. Die. See, not even a second. Like, stupid logic. Very stupid. I didn't like it. Not at all. Good. But okay, going again. We go to find it. We need to pull it to there. Yeah, simple logic. I just wanted to try swimming. I didn't figure it out. I did figure it out. We need to bring it, but I thought somehow he learns. Okay, we need to swing. Yeah, swing. Like, see, Drama, the game I told, has the same logic, and a lot of games have the simple logic. Like, I guess Prince of Persia will also have this. Okay, jump. Like to swing the rope from left to right to gain momentum and all that. That logic is quite retro gaming logic. Nothing new. See, there's branch their side as well. There would be some white chumkila thing. We could try. Okay, this would fall. If I push it, this would fall. Yes. this would fall. This must have fallen on the water, as the sound tells us. So yeah, we know how to go forward. Let's go forward. Okay, नीचे गिर जा. Hey, okay. मेरे को लगा वापस ही उठा. No, but he didn't. Leap of faith, he could not stand leap of faith. That's only Ezio's and Assassin's Creed players can do. We need high level of endurance for that. I would like use this log as well. Who knows if I need to push it deep down to that side. So log could help. Crate could also help. Okay, itna to he should jump. My friend again. He jumped and yeah. Cool. So that's all my guys. We'll see you next and see what's next. Thank you.